Hi, today in front of me OPPO RENO 8C, and I'll show you how to hide photos on this device. So first we should open the Photos application, and for example we wanna hide this photo. Just select this photo, then click here to hide. Here we should set a privacy password first, so click to set password. We should just enter the digital password, or we can use the another password types. For example, I'll use the pattern. Just enter twice your pattern, or drop the pattern, or enter your password. Here we should select one from our security questions and just enter the answer. Tap to OK on the right upper corner. Now just the privacy safe updated. Okay, got it. So now click here to images and videos, tap to this plus icon and select this photo. Click set as private. We just successfully set this image like the private one. So let's go back to the photos, and we can see that we just handle anymore here any photos. If you wanna just unhide this photo, by here we can also show hide an album if you want. If you want to unhide this photo by the same way, we should first go to the settings, tap to privacy, switch permissions to privacy and click to private safe. Now we should enter our just unlock method, and you will see them here in images and videos. Just to unhide this photo, select it and click set as public. Now we just successfully set our photo as a public, so let's go back to the photos. Okay, all, and we can see here this photo. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.